Hello from the Arlo Lab. My name is Anna and I am your virtual technical assistant. Today we will be going over the new Arlo AI detection feature. In this video, we will cover vehicle recognition. Make sure to check out our other videos to find out more about person recognition, custom and fire detection. Let's get started. Thanks to vehicle detection, a feature of the new Arlo Secure Plus plan, your camera will send you a notification when a vehicle is detected. Feel secure with personalized alerts labeled with vehicles you previously named and know when an unknown vehicle is on your property. To set vehicle recognition up, from the Arlo app, select the profile icon in the top left-hand corner. Next, choose your location under Locations and Plans and afterwards tap on Vehicle Recognition. Next, toggle the option and make sure the camera's location meets the requirements. Once checked, tap on Next and choose the devices you want the feature to be enabled on. Next, we can manage the options for the feature. First, under Connected Devices, we can see which camera the feature is enabled on. To add a new vehicle to the Recognized option, tap on Unrecognized, next choose the vehicle you want to add, and tap on Name Vehicle, and finally tap on Save. Back on the Recognized option, when you select a vehicle, you will have the option to rename the vehicle or to remove the recognition. Please note the AI features get more reliable with time, as we teach them more using new images and new examples. It shouldn't be expected that a brand new setup will be 100% accurate immediately. Sometimes, if the AI is giving us false detections, all it needs is some time to improve. And that's it. Thank you for joining me today, and make sure to check out our other videos to learn more about the Arlo app and AI features.